Come on. Alrighty, we're gonna do some dropping down here. So this is gonna be. I want everyone to go to your have a notebook, have something to write with. Also have your manual out if possible. And let's go to page 9. So I'm gonna be on page 9 and make sure we all are exactly where we would be with the blue book as well. So here we are. We just finished up the price comparison right over here, and now we're going to the homemaker here. So as I said earlier, well, Jacob, you're going to be Mr. Jones. Xander, you're going to be Miss Jones. So as I said earlier, Homemaker Plus 8 is our most popular set. It's perfect for families that cook 2 to 3 times a week. It has the 10 basic tools that I explained earlier, the 8 table knives, the wood block, and a sharpener for straight edges. We also have a Homemaker set without table knives. If you're considering a set of Cutco, would you prefer the set with the table knives?
Yeah. Yeah,
it's a great choice. Yeah. Everyone uses them. My mom loves them. Cool. The great thing is that it doesn't cost $4,000. In fact, it doesn't even cost as much as the Wusthof price of $3,000. The Homemaker Plus 8 set is only, let me go and jot this down for you, Mr. and Mrs. Jones. I set down my blue book, I get my pen, get my sheet of paper, and then I'm going to write down the price. I'm going to make sure I write it exactly like this every single time. I'm using a sticky note just for now, but I would use a notebook. And as I have it written down, I would put this right in front of Mr. and Mrs. Jones. So just so everyone can see on Zoom, I would slide this over to them. I'd say the Homemaker Plus 8 set is only $16.13 paid in full, which includes shipping. But most of our customers take advantage of our 5-month interest-free investment option, and that's only going to be that $357 today, and that includes tax. We have a bonus where when you buy now, I can give you a matching kitchen tool set, entertainer pack, or super shears for free. Which one did you guys like the best? The shears? The shears, the shears are awesome. And Mr. Jones is going to cut all the pennies with them. I know. So the shears, they're fantastic. So cool. Mr. and Mrs. Jones, I wouldn't be doing my job if I didn't ask you, would you like to try out the Homemaker set today and get your free super shears?
How many hours you work this week? It's gonna be 50 after this. No, thank you. I don't know. I don't know if you can do that.
Okay, no problem. If you don't mind me asking, what is it about the Homemaker you guys are unsure of?
Yeah, I think it's just it might break the bank. 16, 13 for some knives. I don't
know. Okay, cool. No problem. I completely understand. 16, 13 is a lot all at once. That's why most of our customers split it up over 5 months, and it would be interest free, and that would only be that $357 per month. How does that sound for you guys?
357. I mean, don't get me wrong. I really like Cutco. I just think it's out of ballpark right now. Yeah. I like the set. I do. I think the number is just a little too high. I like the shears a lot too. I think it's just a little too expensive.
Got it. No problem. No problem. So Mr. and Mrs. Jones, I could see that you really liked the Homemaker set, but it's just a little bit too much money right now. So we do have a special program that we have that we're offering today called the Trade-In Special. So if you were to sell your knives that we tried out here at a garage sale, how much do you think you'll be able to get for them?
$50. Sure. Call 75.
75 at a garage sale? By the way, I'm gonna pause for a second. Most people will say like $10 to $20.
Wait, for their knives?
For their knives.
Oh, I thought you meant for these.
How much would you get for your knives that we use? And how much would you get for those at a garage sale?
Yeah, $30. You would buy scams.
$30. Got it. So cool. With this trade-in special, what I could do is actually buy your knives from you and save you some money off of that Homemaker set. So you could kind of consider it a little bit of a discount here. So what it will do is we'll take some money off that set. Let me go ahead and show you how much I can take off that set. All right. You guys are going to love this. A lot of my customers like to do this. So what I could do is I could take $292 off the price of that Homemaker Plus 8 set, taking your price down to only $13.21. And over 5 months interest free, that would only be $293 today. So how does that sound?
I agree. About 300 a month, roughly. It's about an extra grocery bill. I don't think so. Just not today. I don't think. I have to go with the missus on this one now.
Got it. No problem. We do have a lot of different options, and I'm sure we'll find a set that's a that is a better fit for you. I'll show you guys our galley set next. The galley set's awesome, by the way. A lot of my customers, they love the galley set. So here's the galley set. This one's a perfect starter set, and it'll take care of all your needs. This is actually the same set as your guys' friend, Mr. and Mrs. McDonald, the same set that they got from me. So it comes with the paring knife for the air, the trimmer for the small stuff, spatula for the sandwiches, a meat knife, a serving piece, a veggie chopper, a bread knife, and it still comes with 6 table knives. So it'll be you and then your 2 kids. You will each be able to have a table knife, and then you'll have 2 extras in the block, which you guys will probably use for dinner, and the kids will have to clean them up, that kind of thing. Cool. So it's only missing the 3 least used knives, and it still comes with your everyday knives. So it's a few less knives for a lot less money. Instead of paying that $16.13 for the homemaker set, the Galley Plus 6 set is only going to be, let me go and jot this down for you as well. So the Galley Plus 6 set is only going to be $11.57 or $2.57 per month for 5 months interest free. Now, when you get this set today, you guys ready? When you get this set today, you could still have those super shears for free. Uh-huh. How does that sound?
Let me ask you, what doesn't come in the galley?
Yeah, that's a great question. So, Mr. Jones, the Galley Plus 6 set is it's got the same pieces at the Homemaker Plus 8, except we just took out your master carving set. Most people aren't carving a turkey every day. So we did take out that master carving set, and we took out the butcher knife, the heavy duty knife. So we can always add those on later as well. But we just took out those 2, the butcher knife, and then 2 table knives.
Hmm? So 257.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, 257 right here.
57 and with the shears in there. Oh, that's a good deal. It's a little less than the homemaker per month. He's got that baseball. Jacob, I don't think so.
Okay, got it. No problem. Now, so it sounds like you guys really like that set. It's just a little bit too much for the budget, right? It sounds like baseball and all these expenses coming up.
He's got a lot of stuff coming up.
Totally understand. I completely understand. So we do have that trade-in special also works for this set as well. Now with the trade-in special, I can't give you the shears for free with this one. But what I could do is when you guys just trade in some of your knives to me today, and I'll bring them to the office and we use them for like training purposes. What I will do is I'll be able to save a good amount of money off that Galley Plus 6 set. So I could give you the Galley Plus 6 today. Ooh, you guys are going to like this a lot. Awesome. So I was able to save you $211 off the Galley Plus 6. So I took it down to $945. And on a 5-pay, that would only be $211. So only $211 today for the Galley Plus 6 set. We can't do the shears, but you'll still get the block, the cutting board, all that fun stuff. Okay. So how does that sound for you guys? $211 for the Galley Plus 6.
$211. It's up to you. And this is the 3 month or 5 months?
This is for 5 months.
5 months. She's gonna look at me crazy if I spend $1,000 on knives. I think. Honey, I really like the shears. She wants the shears. Okay. All right. I think we might take away some of those knives and replace some of the knives with the shears.
Okay. Got it. So what I'm hearing, Mr. Jones, is you want to swap out maybe a piece here for the shears?
Yeah, I can.
Can we just do the shears?
Yeah, that's a great question. Of course you can. However, our sets are discounted. They're safer and you get free stuff. If you don't mind, I'll show you the rest of our sets. And if none of them appeal to you guys, then we can pick out whatever pieces you want. Okay. Does that sound good?
Okay.
All right, awesome. So let me show you our starter sets. These are really great too. They all come with a free cutting board, and either come with a block or a tray. So let me tell you what pieces come in each set. The Essentials +5 right here has the Petite Chef, Petite Carver. It also comes with the turning fork, spatula spreader, paring knife, and 5 table knives. The Studio +4 has the Petite Carver, spatula spreader, trimmer, paring knife, and 4 table knives. And then we also have a few more. The Space Saver set right here has the Petite Chef, Petite Carver, trimmer, large paring knife, and a small paring knife. The all knife set has the paring knife, trimmer, spatula spreader, Petite Chef, and 9-inch carver, and is in a tray. The kitchenette set over here has the paring knife, trimmer, turning fork, Petite Carver, and slicer, and that one's also in a tray. And then the gourmet set here has the boning knife, the hearty slicer, the santoku, vegetable knife, and cleaver. So out of these starter sets, Mr. and Mr. Jones, which combination did you guys like the best?
I like the studio.
I did like the studio.
Studio +4?
Yeah, I did.
That's a really great one. It's the same set that my friend's mom got, Mrs. Arnold. Yeah, they love it. They've added pieces on since then too. Cool. So instead of paying $16.13 for that homemaker set, that Studio +4 set is only going to be, let me jot this down for you guys as well. So it's only going to be $161 per month for 5 months, and it's going to be interest free, or $722 in full. Now, if you get this set today, you can still get those super shears that you guys really liked for free. So how does that sound?
It was 651.
722 or 161 per month for 5 months. It's about $40 a week.
It's hard to say no to that one, Jacob, but I think we're gonna have to downsize. I do really like those shears.
Okay.
Yeah, I think the set's just a little bit too much right now.
Gotcha. Cool. No problem. So we do also have a trade-in on this last set as well. This is the last set I can offer the trade-in special for you guys, just so you know. So it only comes with their sets with the table knives. So the Studio +4, I can't give you the same discount as I did with those bigger sets, but what I could do is I could take that Studio +4. You guys are gonna like this a lot. Amazing. So I did save you guys $136. Taking your Studio +4, again, you can't get the shears for free with this, but you can always add them on later. And it'll only be $132 today. It'd be $132 today, or in full would be $586. So that would be the trade-in special that I could do for you guys on the Studio +4. Take it.
I really like that.
Take it. How does that sound?
It sounds
I wear the pants right here. We'll take it.
that sounds
Congratulations. You're going to love your Cutco. Woo! Well, I write that up. Let's look at some accessories, and then I'll go through everything else here. All right. I'm going to go ahead and stop my recording here. And then I do want to get some takeaways as far as what we did.
I have some takeaways. Yeah.
Great. I'm glad. Let me just